Today's lesson is lesson 34, division with zeros in the quotient. So sometimes the answer to a division problem is called, well, it's always called a quotient. But sometimes when we divide, one or more of the digits in the quotient is a zero. If that happens, we continue to follow the same steps. So here I have 365 divided by 6. Okay, so we begin by breaking it down into a smaller problem. So 3 cannot be divided by 6, so we're going to do 36 divided by 6. So 36 divided by 6 is 6. Then 6 times 6 is 36. We subtract, we have 0, and we bring down the 5. Now, we cannot divide 5 by 6 even once. So we're going to we say that 5 cannot be divided by 6, so we put a 0. 6 goes into 5 0 times. So 6 times 0 is 0. Okay, then I subtract, and then I have 5 left over. So we would say I have a remainder of 5. 60 remainder 5. It's really important to make sure to put the 0 here, because you have to have a number. You have to use every single number in our problem. Okay, all right. So here we have a train traveled 630 kilometers in 6 hours. Find the average speed of the train. Divide 630 kilometers by 6 hours. So we're going to take 630 and divide it by 6. So 6 can go in, so 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 1 is 6. Subtract, I get a 0. Bring down the 3. So I cannot do 3 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 3 0 times. That 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract, I get a 3, and I bring down the 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract, and I have 0 left over. So remember, we keep following the same steps, but if I can't divide a number into it, I put a 0 up in my quotient. All right, on this problem it says, an object on the moon has a different weight than the same object on Earth. To estimate the weight of an object on the moon, divide its weight on Earth by 6. So Jason weighs 515 pounds on Earth. Estimate the number of pounds he would weigh on the moon. Since we're going to estimate, we're going to round 115 pounds up to 120. And then we're going to divide 120 divided by 6. So 6 can't go into 1, and I like so it can't go into 1, so we go 6 into 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract, I get a 0, and I bring down the next 0. 6 can go into 0 only 0 times, and then 6 times 0 is 0, and we subtract, and I end up with 0. So my answer is that he weighs about 20 pounds on the moon. LBS is the abbreviation for pounds, just by the way. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.